Hello everyone, this is Specky Foodie. Today's menu will be prata wraps with chicken, a fusion. Let's try something special today. The fusion of Western and Asian dish. Let's go cookie! Here's the ingredients you will need. Alright, preparation of ingredients is very simple. Add in 1 portion of the marinade on each side of the chicken's fillet. And that's all for the preparation. And the cooking begins. At medium-low heat, add in 2 tablespoons of oil. Add in the chicken fillet and cook until golden brown. When it's almost done, add in the butter and remove the chicken. At medium-low heat, add in 1 tablespoon of butter. Add in the eggs and keep stirring. Once it's 80% cooked, remove the egg immediately. At medium-low heat, add in 1 tablespoon of butter. Add in the frozen prata. Cook until the prata becomes soft, then turn it over. Press on the side of the prata to have some crispiness. Remove the prata when it's golden brown. Slice the chicken into smaller pieces. it's time to get your hands oily. Put some oil on your hand. Just joking. Put all the prata on a flat surface. Cup your hands and smash in the middle. Got it? Time for some action. Smash the hands at your prata sideways. Continue smashing until you see the crispiness forming. Take one of the prata and fill them with the ingredients. Add any sauce you like. When you are ready, roll them from the bottom upwards. Make sure to roll it tightly. Give it a cut diagonally. And it's done. Let's eat! Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click on like if you like the video. Let us know what food you would like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers!